everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Hello my dear children, welcome to today's session. Dear children, as you know, in last session we have started with the topic two fables. In last session, that is in first part of this video, I have explained you the meaning of word fables, and we have also seen that today and in last session, in both the session we are reading, learning, watching two fables, that is short stories by Aesop. And I have also explained you who was Aesop and why and how his stories are famous all over the world. So in last session we have learned a moral story of two friends and one bear, and in today's session we are going to learn the other story from this series, that is part 2. So let's begin with today's story. So the title of the story is, you can see in the picture and you can guess, The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Okay, town means city. We all live or stay in Mumbai town, Mumbai city. Okay, and country means village. So this is a story of two cousins. One who stays in town and the another one is stays in the country or in the village. Okay, so let's begin with the story. So once upon a time there was a town mouse, okay, who was staying in a town, in a big city. And once while doing some household work, he found a picture or a photograph of his with his cousin. Okay, cousin means चुलत भाऊ किंवा चुलत बहीण. जी मामे भावंड चुलत भावंड असतात त्यांना आपण इंग्लिश मध्ये कझिन म्हणतो. So he found a photograph of himself with his cousin. Okay, so he reminded about his cousin and he was feeling like that I should go and visit my cousin since long we have not met. So he decided to visit his cousin in the country. Then the town mouse went on a visit to his cousin in the country. You can see here town mouse has arrived in the country or in the village place where his cousin was staying. But while walking down to his cousin's place, he was not very happy. As he entered in the village, he saw there were many kettles, there were cow dung, a bad smell. So he doesn't like the atmosphere at all. Look at his face. He is not happy with the atmosphere in country. Then he reached to his cousin's home. You can see a very beautiful small home in the village or in the country where his country cousin was staying. He knocked on the door And the door was opened and there was his country cousin, the country mouse, who was a simple and rustic fellow. Rustic means rural, who was living in a village. गावठी म्हणतो ना आपण, गावात राहणारा, गावंढळ असं आपण म्हणतो. That is known as rustic village. He was very simple and rustic fellow. He opened the door, and when he saw his cousin from the town, he was very happy to see him. You can see at his face, he is so happy. And they were not only cousins, but they were good friends too. So he loved his town friend very much. Look at his face, he is so happy. And he welcomed him very warm-heartedly. And he gave him a hearty welcome. He gave him a beautiful, lovely hug. You can see there, they are hugging each other. And afterwards he thought that my cousin, my friend, all the way he had come from the town, he must be hungry. So he arranged for the lunch and he offered him beans, cheese and bread. You can see there on the dining table. Beans, cheese and bread were all he had to offer, but he offered them freely with the bottom of his heart. अगदी मनापासून त्याने त्याच्याकडे जे काही होतं, बीन्स, चीज अँड ब्रेड, ते त्याने अगदी मनापासून, हृदयापासून, अत्यंत प्रेमाने त्याने आपल्या त्या कझिनला खाऊ घातलं किंवा त्याच्या समोर त्याने ठेवलं. ही ऑफर्ड हिम. बट look at the town mouse face. The town mouse rather turned up his long nose at this simple country fare. He didn't like the food which was placed on the dining table by the country mouse. He made up his face. He turned up his long nose at this simple country fare. त्याला ते जेवण अजिबात आवडलं नाही. चीज, बीन्स आणि ब्रेड हे काय जेवण आहे? And he said, He said, I cannot understand, cousin. How can you put up with this poor food? But of course, you cannot expect anything better in the country. Come with me, and I'll show you how to live. When you see town life, you will wonder how you could ever live in the country. He was not happy with the food offered by his country cousin. He said, I cannot understand, cousin. How can you put up with this poor food? I don't know how this food is very poor. How can you manage with this? But of course, you cannot expect anything better in the country. He says, I agree that you cannot get good things or better things than this in the village, in the country. So you do one thing, you come with me and I'll show you how to live. मला कळत नाही की तू हे अन्न खाऊन कसा काय जगतोयस, पण ठीक आहे, गावात याच्यापेक्षा पण आणखीन काय वेगळं मिळणार. तू माझ्या बरोबर चल, मी तुला दाखवतो कसं जगायचं. When you see town life, you will wonder how you could ever live in the country. एकदा का तू माझ्याबरोबर शहरात आलास, तिथलं लाईफ पाहिलंस की तुलाच वाटेल की आपण गावात कसं काय एवढे दिवस जगत होतो. So after this, what happened? So after that, even the country mouse was ready to go with his town friend or cousin. No sooner did than done, the two mice set off for the town. Set off means they were ready to go for the town. They are packing up their bags. You can see here. And they are going off or setting off for the town. Now the country mouse is ready to visit town mouse house, and they are packing up their bags, they are packing up their things, and they are ready to go there. Then, after a long travel, they reach to the town and arrive at the big house where the town mouse lived in a hole. Town mouse was living in a big house, but he lived in a hole over there. You can see here. Now town mouse is welcoming country mouse to his home. That is a hole. Then he said, "You will want some refreshment after our long journey." All the way they had come, they have traveled from country to the town. Now he thought, my cousin, my friend must be hungry. So he said, "You will want some refreshment." Refreshment, some snacks, small meal. After our long journey, we have traveled so much. So you must be hungry now. And I know that you want some refreshment after our long journey, said the town mouse, and took his friend into a grand dining room. He took his friend into a grand, very big dining room. Country Mouse house was very small and they were sitting in a field for their lunch. But here, when they arrived in the city, in the town, his town friend took him into a grand dining room. एका मोठ्या अशा डायनिंग रूम मध्ये तो त्याला घेऊन गेला. See here, so many different things that is kept on the table. There they found the remains of a fine feast, party, a grand lunch or dinner. There they found the remains of a fine feast. Soon the two mice were eating up jellies and cakes and all that was nice. So here you can see how happy both of them are. So town mouse brought his cousin country mouse in the town. He welcomed him to his home and there he took him to the dining table in a dining room. On the dining table so many delicious things were they could see. There were cakes and jellies and fruits and so delicious things. Of course, it was the remains of that fine feast. You can see there, and now they are happy and they started enjoying their food. Then suddenly they heard growling and barking. Then that country mouse asked to town mouse, "What is that? What sound is that?" Then town mouse answered, "It is only the dogs of the house. Only the dogs of the house." When they were enjoying their food, when they were enjoying their dinner, they heard some growling and barking sound. Then that country mouse asked to town mouse, "What is that? What sound is that?" Then town mouse said, "Nothing. It is only the dogs of the house." "काही नाही रे, या घरातले जे कुत्रे आहेत ना, त्यांचा भुंकण्याचा आवाज येतोय." He answered him in a cool manner. But how did the country mouse reacted? Let's see. He said, "Only I do not like that music at my dinner." He said, "Only? I don't know why you said only, but I do not like that music at my dinner." हा फक्त त्यांचा आवाज आहे असं तू म्हणतोस, पण मला अशा प्रकारचं संगीत जेवताना ऐकायला अजिबात आवडत नाही. Only I do not like that music at my dinner. That was the reaction of the country mouse. And when he was saying that, when country mouse was saying that only I do not like that music at my dinner, And by the time he finished it off with his sentence, just at that moment the door flew open. You can see here, as soon as he finishes that sentence, and that moment the door flew open. And what happened afterwards? You can see here, just that moment the door flew open, in came two huge mastiffs. You can see here, mastiffs, the kind of dogs. जसा दरवाजा ओपन झाला आणि दोन प्रचंड मोठे भयानक असे मॅस्टिफ जातीचे कुत्रे घरामध्ये शिरले. And just at that moment, the door flew open. In came two huge mastiffs. And the two mice had to scamper down and run off. They have to scamper down very fastly. They have to do that movement and they run off. They ran off from the dining table as soon as they saw the two huge mastiffs are entering in the house. They got so scared. They had to scamper down and run off. Scamper down, घाईघाईने पळून जाणे. And they came down from the dining table and they ran off from that room. Whoosh! After that, when they came to their hole, the country mouse said to town mouse, "Goodbye, cousin." He was so scared. He said, "I'm not going to stay here anymore. This is so scary." As soon as they come to their hole, he said, "Goodbye, cousin. I'm going to my own safe place. I'm going to my village. My village is better than your country." Then he says, "Goodbye, cousin." Country Mouse was surprised. He asked him, "What? Going so soon? Why are you leaving so soon? Today only we had come and you're talking about going back again. Why are you going so soon?" अरे आत्ताच तर आलाय ना आपण लगेच काय निघालास? But Country Mouse was not ready to stay in the town. He said, "Yes." He replied, "Yes. Better beans and bread in peace than cakes and jellies in fear." He said, "Yes, I'm leaving for my village. It is better to stay in village with eating very simple and rustic food like me. That is beans and bread. Though I am eating beans and bread, but I am living in peace than your cakes and jellies in fear." Try to understand the meaning of this sentence. This is very important. Better beans and bread in peace. Peace, Shanti. Better beans and bread in peace than cakes and jellies in fear. He says that I was very happy at my village house. Though my house is in the village, though it is very small, though I am eating bread, but beans and cheese, but I live very calmly, coolly, in peace. My life is very sound life. But here in town, though you people are eating cakes and jellies, but I don't think that you are living peacefully here. You are always in fear of those dogs, the fear of those people in the town. I don't want to stay here in this fear. Better I'll go and stay peacefully in my village and I'll eat beans and bread. I'm very happy with that. So, Country Mouse hugged his cousin Town Mouse and he said bye bye to him and he left for the village. So what we learn from this story, that is the moral of the story is, let's see, you read along loudly with me. The town mouse and the country mouse story's moral lesson is that it is better to live a peaceful life that has little and is secure than to live in a luxury that can end any moment in disaster. What is the moral of the story? It is better to live a peaceful life that has little and is secure than to live in a luxury that can end any moment in disaster. गावातलं साधं सुधं पण शांतीनी जगणं हे शहरातल्या सगळ्या ऐशोराम किंवा छान छोकीच्या जीवनापेक्षा की जे कुठल्याही क्षणी संपू शकतं आपलं जीवन, त्याच्यापेक्षा गावातलं साधं सुधं, साधं खाणं, साधं जगणं, साध्या प्रकाराने राहणं हे जास्त महत्वाचं असतं आणि ते जास्त किमती सुद्धा असतं. So this is what the moral of the story, the town mouse and the country mouse teaches us this, that sometimes see, even we run after the things which you find it is very luxurious, it is very cozy, and our life should be in that way. But my dear children, that is not true. आपण म्हणतो ना मराठीमध्ये एक म्हण आहे, चकाकते ते सारे सोने नसते. All that glitters is not gold. तर त्या अशा खोट्या सोन्याच्या मागे राहण्यापेक्षा आपण आपलं साधंसुधं लाईफ जे आहे ते शांतीपूर्ण जगणं हे जास्त महत्वाचं असतं. And this what we have learned from Aesop's second fable. So my dear children, you must have found both the stories were very simple. Two friends and the bear, and the town mouse and the country mouse. From the young age we are listening to these stories, but now in standard 7th we have learned the moral of these stories. Aesop's in this such way, Aesop's fable teaches us how to live your life and on what principle you have to run or walk throughout your life. हे आपल्याला Aesopच्या fable मधून कळतं. So after this you rewatch this video, read the story again, read the dialogues of the country mouse and the town mouse, and in your mother tongue you can write the moral of this story in your own words. Okay, and second thing is that try to write more sentences on this pattern. Better beans and bread in peace than cakes and jellies in fear. Okay, as I told you just now, all that glitters is not gold. अशा प्रकारच्या आणखीन काही म्हणी किंवा वाक्य तुम्ही स्वतः लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न करा, and you can translate this story in your mother tongue. And one thing is that you can translate any part of this story which you like in your mother tongue. Okay, so in last session and in today's session we have learned, we have read, we have watched two fables from Aesop. If after reopening your school, if you have this story book in your school library, you take that book from your library and you do read that book, and you find out the morals from those story and try to follow. Just only don't read and forget it, but try to follow on the footsteps of the moral of those stories. आता मला माहिती आहे शाळा बंद आहेत, पण शाळा उघडल्यानंतर तुम्ही शाळेच्या लायब्ररीमध्ये जर हे पुस्तक असेल तर ते घ्या, जरूर वाचा, त्याच्यामधलं काय मॉरल आहे स्टोरीतलं ते शोधून काढा आणि त्या मॉरल प्रमाणे आपल्या जीवनामध्ये वागण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. In last session, in first story we have learned that the true friend is the friend who helps us in our bad condition or bad situation. That is not a friend who leaves us alone and he runs away. So we have learned that from the first story, and we have learned from this story what we have learned. It is better to live a peaceful life that has little and is secure than to live in a luxury that can end any moment in disaster. Okay.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.